Hi guys, it's Moz here from Moz6510 Models, and today I thought we should go over the new 2021 Airfix range. They delayed the launch date by a day because unfortunately they had problems with their servers, so there was quite a few of us who were taking a day off work and we were waiting in anticipation, only to be told 12 hours before the event they were going to delay it a day, which kind of upset a few of us. But anyways, all by and by, they finally put the launch out on the 7th of January. And so let's just go over to the video and let's see what they are showing off for 2021. Actually, scrub that. This is my version of the Airfix launch. Enjoy. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Yes, it's amateurish, but I just wanted to condense that 12-minute video, whatever video it was, into something really basic. I haven't gone into starter kits. I'm not going to go into the quick builds, even though they are really good and it's an idea to have. I want to concentrate really on the new tooling and the reboxings and the new liveries that they're offering this year. So scrolling down their website, there's the catalogue there. It has a Mozzie on the front. So let's jump into the Mozzie first because the box art looks fantastic. It's going to be £22.99. It's expected summer of 2021 and you can pre-order it today. Now it comes in two schemes. You've got the dark and the light there. Really, really nice. You know, I can't fault it. It does look good. Going to the plain, it does look great. It's a really curvy animal, even though it was made of wood, you know. There's the bomb door, or the bomb load, the bomb bay, I should say, with the doors open. So I suppose you can do either with the gearing up, etc. You know, you can do all sorts with this kit. And there is the image there of the cockpit, and there seems to be a hell of a lot of detail in there. Really, really nice, good stuff there. You can see also there's the manifold there on the right hand side for that Merlin engine. So moving on to the de Havilland Vampire F3 in 1:48 scale. £32.99, also available hopefully summer 2021, so get your pre-order in now. It's going to come with, I believe, 3 schemes going by the picture here. Let's just expand the picture. You're going to have Canadian, Norwegian and British schemes for this one. Look at the face on that one there for the Canadian one. It's really nice. As you scroll back through, there's the plane itself. There's the wheel wells. Some lovely detail there. There's a front end and a back end view. Unfortunately, it don't show you what the actual cockpit is like on this one, but it does look pretty smart. For the final plane of the de Havilland trio that they're tooling this year, they're going to be doing a 1:48 scale de Havilland Chipmunk T10. Just looking at there, the box art looks fantastic, doesn't it? Nice box art there. You're going to do 4 different schemes. So, by what I can see here is you've got Royal Air Force, Royal Navy and British Army. There's the 4 schemes you can do for this kit. Looking at it, lovely cockpit, lovely canopy. You can lift up the sides so you can see inside of the engine detail. So hopefully it will come with some nice engine detail with that. And there you go, there's the cockpit and it all open up. Really, really nice. And hopefully that should be with us, again, as I said, in spring. So hopefully within the next 3 months, 20 quid in your pocket. So let's move on to the Hawker Tempest. This is a 1:72 scale. This is new tooling. This is really, really exciting. This is another one. The wallet's gonna be empty this week, I tell you. Just expand the pictures there. There you go. Look at that. Nice detail. It comes with, I think these are late World War II, because there you've got the invasion stripes down the side. Yeah, so you got 2 schemes coming with this Tempest, so you got the, as I said, you got the D-Day stripes on the top one there. Very, very nice. Look at the front angle there and the side, the cockpit, lots of detail there, and quite a bit of clear sprues there as well, clear plastic right in the middle there. And there's the wheel wells, quite detailed wheel wells there. Yeah, very, very nice indeed. And as I said, it's only a tenner. This is going to be a tenner, so you can pre-order. But this one's going to be again later on in the year, so you're looking at autumn time. So one to buy, ready for Christmas, and when it gets cold and you're at home. So something to appease the 1:35 scale generation, or the 1:35 scale massive, is this Austin K2Y ambulance. They've got no renders, there isn't any prototypes, they've just got drawings of this one. Now, I do remember last year they had pictures of some Scamel lorries. That never happened. It just never came through, unfortunately. I don't even think they're on the website now. So I'm really hoping they come through with this one. Again, autumn 2021, £27.99. Just looking at the, I presume these are artistic impressions. Yeah, I can see you got like the spare wheel inside there. Yeah, it looks like it's going to come two-tone, or you're going to paint it two-tone. It's not something I would really build. I'm not really one for this. But yeah, it looks lovely. And for £27 for the 1:35 scale. So Airfix are looking outside the box. They are trying to push into that scale. So let's just go back to the vintage classics. They're going to be re-releasing the Beach Buggy. That's going to be in 1:32 scale. They're going to be doing the figures again. The figures are going to be 1:32 scale, and they're going to re-release them, but they're going to be changing the formulation of the styrene that's used. They're going to change from the soft formulation to something a little bit harder, which will be more for use with painting. Adhere to the paint easier, so that when you paint them, they'll be a lot better. They're doing the whole range. They're going to be doing the German, the US paratroopers, the British infantry, doing the whole 6. The whole 6 of them are being done, which is good. They're going to be releasing also a Concorde gift set, which is something that they did kind of promise last year. It never quite came to fruition. I think, if I remember rightly, they were going to do a a BOAC version, you know, the original one. You know, everybody loves doing a Concorde. I know most of us have done a Revel version. This one's coming out, not too bad price, $29.99 in 1:44 scale, and that will be released summer of 2021. Also, they're going to be doing re-schemes of the Stuka. That's going to have 2 new schemes. The Vickers Valiant is being re-released as well, and so is, as a classic, the Handley Page Heracles. Is that how you say it? Heracles? Heracles? I think that's how you say it. I've never built one. I don't even remember this kit back in the day. I really don't. The Jag 420, that's going to be released as well. I assume in 1:32 scale. That's going to be nice to build. I wish they'd do the Triumphs, actually. I like the Triumphs more than the Jaguars, to be fair. Pre-orders also available for with new decal schemes for the Messerschmitt BF109G and the Lim 5, which is the Mk.17. I think I'm right in saying it's the Mk.17. That's going to be released with new liveries. The Vickers Wellington also is a pre-order. And a vintage classic there. Is it Aichi? Is that how you say it? The Aichi D3A1 Val. Never built it, so I don't know much. That's going to be a vintage classic. Also, the Hawker Siddeley will also be a classic as well. Vintage classic. I do remember building this. Expected in the summer of 2021 anyway. I've actually put on the video when they will be expected. So if you go back through the video, it will tell you when they will be expected as well. That's a 1:44 scale. And really, nothing much else to add apart from, obviously, they've got the Charities Together Hawk, and this is going to be released any day now. It says winter 2020-21, so I think more in spring. £14, all but a penny, and that would be a nice addition. So if you want to do a Hawk with the competition winning livery, there you go. That's for you. Canadair Sabre F4 coming out as well. This was promised last year. Hopefully it's going to be released in the next 2 or 3 months, because it does say expected in spring. You know, it does look a good model. It really does. You know, I thought we were all excited about this one. So yeah, there you go. That's really where we're at. So that was my little look over and recap of the Airfix 2021 range that they have said they're going to be releasing over the next year. I am pleasantly surprised. No Spitfires, apart from the starter sets. But then again, they've gone for Mosquitos and de Havillands this time. So yeah, well done Airfix, thank you very much. Again, I'll be spending a few quid buying these kits, and hopefully they'll be all here this year as promised. Anyways, thank you for watching. If you liked the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and ring that bell so you'll be notified on any new videos. Any questions, any comments, put them in the box below, and I do reply, and we'll see you in the next video. Cheers.